Liverpool player ratings against Leicester Forwards misfire as Reds crash out of cup. Jurgen Klopp's side slumped to a 2-0 defeat against the Foxes despite having the better of the first half on a frustrating night in Leicester. Shinji Okazaki put the hosts ahead with a deflected shot after 65 minutes, with Islam Slimani doubling the advantage after more good work from the Japanese substitute. Philippe Coutinho could only manage 45 minutes for Liverpool while Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain was on the losing side once again after making his first start for the club. Scroll through the gallery above to see how the Liverpool players performed as the Reds were knocked out of the Carabao Cup.